Hello there, welcome to this summer meditation practice. Today it's time for you to simply let go, to surrender into this practice and be guided by my voice for the next minutes. Come to lie down on your yoga mat now in Shavasana, so allowing yourselves to get into a posture of complete comfort. If it's not comfortable with your legs out long, you could try with blocks underneath your knees or a bolster, or you could simply rest your feet down onto the floor, knees up towards the skies. And just allow your arms to stretch away from the body, your feet to naturally flop out towards either sides. And wiggle and shift around until you feel you get into the most comfortable position you could possibly come in today. And as you close down your eyes or send your awareness towards a single spot on the ceiling, just imagine that you slowly withdraw any awareness from the space around you, the building you're in, maybe your neighborhood, maybe you're in an office and take a break. So just coming back to yourself and your own mat now. As you slowly withdraw from any external, ongoing, as you bring your awareness further toward your own body, notice the whole outline of your body, from head to toes. And just see how you're feeling today. Maybe there is a sense of warmth in the body. Maybe you're not dealing very well with the heat, or maybe you love the heat, but it does make you feel a little bit tired. Wherever you're at this summer, or if you are practicing this in winter and you would like to imagine summer, just allowing yourself to drop again into this practice. So just slowly start to become aware of your breathing. Today we are not changing anything, we're just following the breath for a few rounds. So as you draw your senses now down onto your breath, notice where you feel the inhales and exhales touching your body. As you breathe in, is there a natural sensation of rising, maybe in the belly, potentially the ribs, maybe the upper chest? And as you exhale, do you feel like you're already quite relaxed? Or is it quite tricky to breathe out and to let go today? So just start to drop into that rhythm of your breath. Follow it with ease, like waves coming and going. Soften your eyes as you do so, soften the jaw. So it really is with no effort, you're simply following the inhales and exhales. Your breath is very calm and very nurturing now. And then I would like you to start choosing a place in your mind where you feel that this is reflecting summer to you. This could be a past holiday, maybe a dream of yours, a picture you've seen in a magazine or somewhere where you just envision yourself to be when you want a bit of warmth. It could be where you're right now. And this is perfectly fine. Just choosing a space where you can start to feel comfortable and where you feel these nice summer feelings being present. So as you arrive in this place, imagine that, like you did just a moment ago, you come to lie down. It could be that you're lying down in a nice sandy beach, maybe in a cool spot in the forest amongst trees. Maybe you're in your own home, shielded by the sun, but you're feeling the warmth coming through the windows. And really allow yourself now to arrive in this place. Be creative, imagine it however you would like it to be right now. There's no limitations to where you're at or how it looks like. And as you lie down, your body is held by the earth underneath you. And you're just feeling this really nice temperature of wind touching your skin. You can slightly hear the wind, maybe in close by or further away trees or palm trees. And this coming and going of the wind is calming for you, like your breath. You're feeling it as you inhale, lightly touching your skin, as you're exhaling, leaving the body again. And while you lie down, while you feel comfortably warm with this light breeze touching your skin, notice that your face starts to be touched by the sun rays. Very lightly. You're still shielded, you're not fully in the sun. It's a comfortable warmth. The sun has power, has energy today. It can offer you some of that if you need some. Take as much as you need on these inhales and exhales now. Breathing in the beautiful quality and energy of the sun. Notice what time of the day it is now. Maybe you're just starting the day. Maybe you're approaching the evening. And it's that lovely end of day feel where things calm down a little bit more. And as you lie down in your full comfort, the breath coming and going, you notice that there is water close by. That could be the sea, the ocean, a pond, maybe just a little stream. And the currents today are very, very gentle. The waves are small but steady. And with that quality of water just flowing peacefully, the waves may be coming and going. Notice that your breath starts to really drop into that rhythm and flow. With every inhale, imagine the water slightly washing down your body, like a wave coming. On the out breath, it's that release and that going. And just take a moment to experience that. Your breath being like this quality of water. You're in tune with nature. You're fully there and present. Your breath is coming and going. You're feeling the warmth. Just a very cool breeze touching your skin. And you're there in your happy summer place. And remember, as it's now slowly time to return, you can always go back to that feeling of maybe that summer holiday vibe, of relaxation, of contentment, of you taking a break. You can always take a moment to close your eyes, come back to it, and allow the breath to flow. Please stay here for as long as you like, as long as you and your body needs it to. And whenever you decide to move again, keep that feeling within you. You deserve it. From my heart, deeply to yours, Namaste.